Hello and welcome to the Design Guy. Want crisp, high-quality Canva videos? I'll walk you through every step. First, open Canva and log into your account. Navigate to your projects and locate the video you want to download. Click on the video to open it and access additional options. For example, select this one to demonstrate the process. To download a high-quality video, click the Share button. From the options that appear, select Download. The video will begin processing, and you'll see a prompt indicating the download status. Wait until the download is complete before closing the window. Set the video quality to maximum by selecting 4K UHD from the available options. After confirming your selection, click the Download button to save the high-resolution file to your device. This ensures you get the best possible quality for your video download. Wait for the process to complete. You'll see a progress indicator showing when it's done. Do not close the window or interrupt the operation until the completion message appears, confirming success. You've now completed the process. All changes have been saved automatically, so your work is up to date. You can review your updates in the main workspace or share your progress with your team. If you need to make more edits, simply return to the editor and continue working. You just learned how to download high-quality videos from Canva. Like and subscribe for more quick design tips.